Hey guys, it's Kerry. Looks like we've got trouble later on. Lots of interesting shark facts and lots of other sea animals. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up. Is a shark a mammal, a reptile, or a fish? A shark is not a mammal like whales, nor is it a reptile like alligators. A shark is actually a fish. How many bones does a shark skeleton have? The answer is none. A shark skeleton is made entirely of cartilage, the same material our nose and ears are made of. Can sharks survive in fresh water? Yes, the bull shark are known to swim in salt, fresh and brackish water. What is the smallest shark? At only 15 centimeters or 6 inches long, the tiniest species is a dwarf lantern shark. It could fit into the palm of your hand. What shark is the most common? The ocean white tip is the most common shark. This large shark is numerous in both the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. With smaller sharks, the spiny dogfish is the most common. It inhabits the North Atlantic in the millions. Can sharks smell? Yes, amazingly well. Their sense of smell is so powerful that they can detect a blood drop in an Olympic-sized pool. How fast can the fastest shark swim? The short-finned mako shark, which you can see here, is the fastest species of shark to date and can swim up to 65 miles per hour, which is over 100 kilometers per hour. How do bottom-dwelling sharks like carpet sharks and some other species breathe? They have spiracles behind their eyes that aid with breathing. How many teeth are in a shark's mouth? That depends on the species. Some sharks only have a few dozen teeth, while some can have thousands. The whale shark might win with up to 3,000 teeth, although they are relatively tiny. Did you know that sharks are constantly shedding their teeth and getting new ones? How strong is a shark's bite? Unbelievably, a shark bite can generate up to 40,000 pounds of pressure per square inch. How often do sharks eat? Most sharks eat a meal every couple of days, although they can go for a few weeks without eating. Like people and other animals, sharks can store extra energy as fat for use later when food is limited. How much do sharks eat in a day? Some sharks seem to eat all the time. The great white shark is always on the hunt. In a year, it eats 11 tons of food. What is a shark's main predator? Unfortunately, it's us. We are the biggest danger to sharks. People are responsible for killing millions of sharks each year. Are sharks the apex predator? Yes, they're at or near the top of their marine food chains, and they regulate the populations of species below them. Research has shown that massive depletion of sharks has cascading effects throughout the ocean's ecosystems. Will sharks drown if they stop swimming? Some sharks need to swim continuously to stay alive. They get their oxygen for breathing from the water that flows over their gills. If they stop swimming, no more water flow means no more oxygen, so breathing stops. Apart from humans, what other animals have been known to eat sharks? Predators for sharks would include killer whales, crocodiles, seals, and even larger sharks. Which shark has the biggest teeth? The prehistoric Megalodon was the largest shark to have ever lived, and its teeth could grow up to 7 inches long. Relative to body size, the cookie cutter shark has the largest teeth. This species is rather small, but it uses the large teeth in its round mouth to take cookie-sized bites from the flesh of larger marine creatures like dolphins. What shark eats the most for its size? It's the blue shark. It will eat until it regurgitates and then go right back to eating again. What is the biggest shark? The whale shark. It can grow to be as large as a school bus. What is a shark's skin made of? It's made up of a series of scales that act as an outer skeleton for easy movement and for saving energy in the water. Oh, it looks like I've got twins here. Why is the shark dark on top and lighter underneath? It's all about camouflage. The dark blends in with the ocean floor, and if they're high up in the water, the lighter underbelly makes them hard to see. What do sharks like to eat? They eat most things: fish, crustaceans, mollusks, plankton, krill, marine mammals, and other sharks. How many different types of sharks are there? There's more than 465 known species of sharks living in our oceans today. What happens when a shark loses a tooth? Well, while they lose teeth on a regular basis, new teeth continue to grow and replace those they lose. Here's trouble. Please stay and watch another video with me. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.